Okay, so I see I changed my outfit, so it's the next day. Hold on a second, I didn't get a pen. Alright, so here we continue with the assessment. So, problem number 6. It's split into two parts, it's A and B. Here it says write and solve. So I have to solve the equation. I have to write it and solve it. So there needs to be an answer to represent each statement below. So to find 36 times 25, 36 times 25, I double and halve. Let's see, which one do I want to double? Which one do I want to have? I could double 36. I could have it pretty easily. I could double 25. Ooh, to 50. Ooh, to 100. That sounds good. Because having 25, I could do that, but it gets in the decimals, and that doesn't seem to be easier. No, yeah, I don't think so. So I'm gonna have 36 to 18, and that means I'm gonna double 25 to 50, and I'm gonna do it again. And I'm gonna have 18 to 9, and I'm gonna double 50 to 100, and that's gonna give me the answer of 900. So there we go. I doubled it all the way through to 900. To find 15 times 27, so to find 15 times 27, I multiply 10 times 27 and add it to 5. Okay, so I multiply 10 times 27 and I add it to 5 times 27. Okay, so that would look like 270, because that's 10 times 27, plus, I don't have to do much to figure out 5 times 27, because I understand relationships, and I understand 5 is half of 10. 5 is half of 10, so my answer is going to be half. So let's half 270. 135. I'm going to add these together. I see kind of that friendly combination of 7 and 3. So I know that's a 10. So that looks like it's going to be what? That's 200, 300, 405. I shouldn't say and. 405. 405. Alright, so how many 1 by 1 by 1 cubes are in the rectangular prisms shown below? Write and solve equations. I have to write the equation, I have to solve it. Equation for number of cubes. So this one I have to count. I have to count my width, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to multiply that with my length here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's my base, and I have to multiply by the height, 1, 2, 3. So that's going to be by 3. Any easier combinations here? 18 times 4, 24 times 3, 12 times 6. Okay. 12 times 6, and then that's going to be 72. There's my answer. Here, equation for number of cubes. They give me the information, 6 by 6 times 3. Okay. Well, I could make that 12 times 3 times 3. Oh, no. 6 times 6 is 36. 36 times 3? 36 times 3? That doesn't seem easy. What else could I do here? I could rewrite this to be 12 times 3 times 3. And then I could do 3 times 3 is 9 times... Oh, I know that one. Okay, so 3 times... So I can rewrite this as 12 times 9, and then that equals 108. So there we go, 108. Okay, Riley counted the number of balls on one layer of a box, 34. The box has 8 layers. How many balls can the box hold? So we have a base of 34 and 8 layers. So what could I do? I could double and halve. I can have 8 down to 2. And then double 34. So let's do that. I think that makes sense for me. So if I'm going to have 8, I need a double 34. So that'd be 68 times 4. And then I want to do this again. Oof. So I have 16, 13. 136 times 2. Is that right? 16 and 120, 136. And then I just double that again. So 36 doubled is 72. So 272 balls. Cool. And then let's look at the problem. For each problem below, use numbers, words, or labeled sketches to solve the problem. So numbers, words, or labeled sketches, show your work. Handle the remainder. So that means like those were the vision problems we were working on. Best fits, write an equation. Okay, so 4 friends washed cars all day on Saturday and earned $66. So we got 4 friends, we got $66. They shared the work equally. So they want to share the money they earned equally. How much money will each person get? Okay, so I have these 4 people, and they're going to split $66. So I'm going to give each one 10, 20, 30, 40. So we're taking 40 away. 26 left. Is that 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So that was 24. And I got $2 left. $2 left. Oh, I split it in the money, so like 50 cents. Right? 50 cents and 50 cents is $1. There's 4 people. Okay, so each person's going to get 10, 6, and then we're going to do another 0.5 for each person. 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, that equals 2. Okay, cool. So it looks like they get the equation. So $66 divided by 4 equals $16.50. Cool. There are 100 people on the swim team. Today they are going to a big swim meet on the other side of town. Each minivan can take 15 people. How many minivans will they need? So here's a minivan. Oh no, I think the ratio table. I shouldn't just do that. I should think about this. Right? Because I have a ratio. I know that in one van, number of vans, number of kids. So one van equals 15 kids, and my target is 100. That's my target. Equals 100. Okay, so but 10 is 150. That's over. We don't need that many. But I know that 5 then equals 75. Right? Is that right? Yeah, half of 150 is 75. So what 6 would be 75 plus 15. So 75 plus 10 is 85, plus 5 is 90. Okay, I'm getting close. So that looks like 7 would be, what, 15 more. So 90 plus 10 is 100, and then 5 more is 105. It looks like we would need 7 vans. Okay, so I have 100 people divided by 15 in each, and that's going to give me 6 remainder 10, but I need 7 vans. The box holds 396 balls. Each layer has 33 balls. How many layers does the box have? That looks like a ratio again, because I know for layer and balls, so for one layer there's 33 balls. My target equals 396. So that means 10 layers, we have 330. I got 60 or so to go. Oh, 66. That's 2, right? So 2 is 66. So 12 is 396. So that means 396 divided by 33 equals 12. Cool. Ah, I should label that 12 layers. Or no, wait, each layer, how many layers? The box has 12 layers. Very cool. Okay, ciao.